Juice that melts pounds in just 7 days. The first ingredient is lemon. First, squeeze out the lemon juice using a strainer. Lemon is one of the most popular foods for weight loss. It's an excellent source of vitamin C. Lemon juice helps speed up metabolism. Then, we cut the remaining lemon peel into pieces as small as possible. The peel is much richer in nutrients than lemon juice itself. It contains 3 times more vitamin C and up to 8 times more vitamin A. It's also rich in essential minerals like calcium and potassium and packed with valuable fiber. The next ingredient in our recipe is ginger. Peel the ginger and cut it into small pieces. We often use this hot root in slimming drinks. It is a natural fat burner thanks to the active ingredient gingerol. This healthy root successfully melts kilograms and removes fat deposits from the stomach and waist. It also aids in faster digestion and stimulates the entire digestive system. The third ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon is widely known for its weight loss benefits and is used in many popular diets. Did you know that cinnamon reduces the need for sweets and regulates insulin levels in a completely natural way? We put a cinnamon stick in the pot with the other ingredients. Next, pour 1 liter of water into the pot over all the ingredients. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Afterward, leave the drink to cool for 20 minutes. Use a strainer to filter the cooled mixture into a bowl. Then add the previously squeezed lemon juice and mix well. Now you have a miracle juice that melts fat and helps you lose weight. This drink is quick to make and should be consumed just before bed. Let me know in the comments if you plan to try this drink. And don't forget to share the recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for your support.